Kyle Terry Saunders. Your videos have been posted on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and they've even leaked their ways onto Reddit. And needless to say, we've had enough. You make your cancerous bullshit and you post it with your false sense of grandeur. Even your mother told you to take them down, and you denied her request. I am aware that you will not see this video for a while, under deep ground. But when you get the chance, please take what I'm saying into consideration. For if you do not, serious consequences will come. This is not a threat. I would never hurt another human being physically. However, cyber action can be taken, and as you can tell, that is my method of getting things done. My request: a rap song detailing your apology or retirement. If you do not wish to retire, you may enter a feud with me. Take me on. Challenge me in any way that you please. Call me out. But for now, I am gone. Kyle. Expect